The Mr. Holland's Opus Foundation recognizes outstanding band programs all over the country who are also in need of instruments. So the Mr. Holland's Opus Foundation recognizes not only outstanding band programs, but outstanding districts that are committed to providing quality music programs. In order to receive that grant, we have to show not only a need for our students, but that we have the long-term commitment by providing quality music educators, by providing proper storage and tracking measures to ensure that those instruments remain quality for generations to come.
Music is very important to me, well, specifically, and the Holland's Opus grant really helped because now I can play on a brand new saxophone that, as much as I really like the old one I was using, this one is definitely better quality, and I'm able to get a good sound on this instrument.
We won approximately $45,000 worth of brand new instruments.
I'm a percussionist, so I play the drum set, mallets, chimes, marimba, bass drum, snare, so basically anything you can hit with a stick.
We have a brand new grand marimba, a brand new xylophone. There were 6 trumpets, 4 trombones, 2 French horns, 4 alto saxophones.
And playing music inspires me to do better in my other classes because I have to study for all my classes, and music is there to help me, kind of focus.
Prior to our grant, we did have students who were sharing instruments. We were able to provide each student their own mouthpiece, but when you're sharing an instrument, it prevents even practice, as each student can only take it home one night. So it is a huge boon to our program for each student to have their very own instrument. District 11 works very hard to provide instruments to every student. Here at MANN Middle School, about 98% of our students are using school-owned instruments. Unfortunately, they are an aging inventory, so to have a brand new instrument in the hands of a child is motivating beyond measure. To be excited about that practice, to be excited about that performance.
Because having success in one area can often set you up for a bigger success in another.
A big thank you to the Mr. Holland's Opus Foundation for giving us new instruments and new percussion equipment, because it's really helped us out, and it's recognized our band program and has made us bigger, and we've gotten more praise for that.